Hi, I'm Rachael Kurlander, and I live in Tampa, Florida. I'm originally from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, but I moved down here to go to college at the University of Tampa back in 2015, right after I graduated high school. Some of my hobbies include reading, gardening, going to the beach, and touring local nature preserves because they're all so gorgeous down here. My brother actually went to the University of Tampa as well and graduated in 2011. So when I decided I was moving down here, pretty much the rest of my entire family came as well, with the exception of one brother who still lives back in Pennsylvania, so I get to visit occasionally. However, I don't think I'd ever move back. The weather down here is gorgeous, and my brother that lives down here recently had a baby, so I get to be close to my nephew, which is nice. I don't have any pets or anything, but I do watch my brother's dog, who's a black lab named Guinness, occasionally, so he keeps me from going out and buying a dog anytime I feel tempted. I am currently looking for work as a pharmacy technician to get some experience before going to pharmacy school. I just recently graduated the University of Tampa back in May with a Bachelor's of Science in Biology and a concentration in molecular biology. And I'm using this course to fulfill a prerequisite for pharmacy school because I didn't have enough time to fulfill it during my undergrad. I am applying to PhD pharmacy programs in Florida at schools like USF and WCOM and Florida AMU. I'm really excited to see your introduction videos. My webcam was broken, so I had to wait till it got fixed before I could upload this. I hope that everyone has a really great Thanksgiving and gets to spend time with their families, and I'm excited to read all your discussion posts.